current situation. I've just been gigging really ever since sort of the band finished. I had like a solo